Hello guys, welcome back with another tutorial. So today what we are going to do, we are gonna make a katana sword. So katana sword, what is katana? Katana is a sword named by a Japanese person made in late 700s AD. So let's start, let's do it. First of all, we would like to make our blade. So mesh, then plane, RX 90, move it a little bit left, then front mode, X-ray, added, SZ, make it smaller like here, then move it then a little bit up here like this, make it a little bit bigger, then align it here. We are going to add loop cuts by pressing Ctrl R and scrolling our mouse into 6. So we just added 6 loop cuts into it. Select these two, GX, then GZ to move it a little bit here. Then select this one, GZ, little bit lower, then S to scale it down, and double G to move it here, and GZ to move it like here. So GX to just align, Control B, bevel, and add a loop cut by okay. So add 2 loop cuts just to make it a proper round shape. Okay, then come here, EZ to extrude it like here, then again EZ to extrude it here. Okay, so our basic blade is ready, and what we are going to do now, we are going to make this 8 kind of shape, like a 8 digit. So let's do it. First of all, go to object mode and save your work by pressing Ctrl S, and now make a circle like this. Same like before, repeat the process. RX 90, GX, then GZ like here, has to make it smaller. Okay, a little bit SX like here. Go to edit mode, slash, then Alt E, extrude edges, then right click, then S to make it a little bit wider. Okay, so our basic shape is ready. So select A, Alt E, extrude faces along normals like here, and go to front, and Alt Shift D to make it a copy, then GX, and place this copy over here, and SZ to make it like this. Okay, then so slash again. Now you can see it is more kind of a round, not proper 8 shape, but more like a round shape. So XX, then SZ like this. Okay, then so let's make our handle. Again, Control A, plane, RX 90, GX to move it like here, X-ray mode, SZ, then S to make it smaller, GZ to make it up, GX to make it like here, GX, then G. Now A to select all, Control R, add loop cuts. Actually 1 2 3 4 5, add 4 loop cuts this time. Okay, then ASZ to make it a little bit like here, then GZ to move it here, and GZ, these words here, and this one is here, move it a little bit up also, GZ to move it like here. Okay, you can see that there is a little bit curve, so select this edge. Okay, you can see that the corners or edges of a sword is always thin and very sharp. So either you use it from top or bottom, it would be sharp. It would having sharp edges. So let's do it. Okay, then let's focus on and handle. You can see tilted squares. Okay, how many faces do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slash edit mode. Just select the faces. Okay, guys, let's do it manually. Select these two faces, then I to invert at 0.05. We have made it manually, so we are now selecting every inner face that we have just created. So okay, so all we have to do is just deselect these middle words of every face just to make it the shape that we want. We are deselecting every word except the four. We are just trying to confirm if we use them. So what is the best way to deal with it? I think so the best way to deal with it just to merge the edges. Like select these two, M at center, M at center. Okay, this is the center. So select this, then this one, and now M at first. Now select the cover of this word, Alt E, extrude faces along normals, and like here. Okay, extrude faces along normals again, just to make it a little bit thicker or healthier. or solid, because a cover is always solid. So select these inner edges. Have to fill. Okay, I think it should be more thicker or healthier. So Alt T, extrude faces along normals, like. Let's do use the knife tool again to make the logo icon. So just draw it properly so it would be in a proper shape, like this here. Okay, so we do have our basic shape, but please do like, comment, and subscribe to learn Blender more.